Hello students, welcome back. Today we are going to learn how to write a composition on a visit to a zoo. This topic is very common in exams, so make sure you listen carefully. Also, I have used very simple sentences in this composition so that you can learn easily. So let's get started. First, we should start with a short introduction. In this, we should mention when we visited the zoo, with whom we went, and where the zoo is located. For example, you can write, last Sunday I visited a zoo with my family. It was a big zoo with many animals and birds. See, it's a short and clear introduction. बस इतना लिखना है और introduction हो जाएगा. Next, we should write about the animals and birds we saw in the zoo. We can also mention their activities, what they were doing. For example, you can write, first we saw a big pond with ducks and swans swimming in it. Then we saw lions, tigers, elephants and bears. The monkeys were jumping on trees. The peacock was dancing beautifully. इतना लिखने से आपके composition का main part ready हो जाएगा. Here we have used simple words and short sentences so that it is easy to read and understand. Now we can write about any special area in the zoo, like a reptile house or a bird section or an aquarium. For example, you can write, there was a special section for snakes and crocodiles. We also saw colorful parrots and other birds in cages. This makes your composition more interesting because it shows that you observed different things. It adds more details to the composition. Now we should express our feelings about the visit. Did we enjoy this visit? Did we feel sad for the animals? For example, you can write, I enjoyed watching the animals, but I felt sad because they were locked in cages. इस लाइन से आपके composition में थोड़ा emotion भी add हो जाएगा and that makes it better. Finally, we should write a short conclusion about the overall experience. For example, we can write, visiting the zoo was a great experience. It was a wonderful and memorable day. This line gives a good ending to the composition, and that's it. Your composition in about 80 to 100 words is complete. And this is the final composition. And here are some important tips to write this composition. Use simple and short sentences. Write in the past tense because the visit has already happened. Keep your ideas in order. First introduction, then details, and then conclusion. And express your feelings and thoughts clearly. So dear students, if you follow these steps, you can easily write a good composition. Now I want all of you to try writing your own composition on a visit to a zoo using these steps. So that's all for today. I hope this video helped you. मिलते हैं next video में, तब तक practice करते रहिए. Bye and take care.